Did you see the market drop Friday right before the close? Oh my gosh. Well, guess what? It's not all that unanticipated, right? So stocks go up, stocks go down. It's like the law of gravity. The first thing that I want to say is don't freak out. Don't jump off the ledge. When you sell a put, you chose the stock that you're trading. You chose the strike price. You chose the expiration date. You were in the driver's seat. You already committed, hey, I'm going to buy this stock if it drops below a certain price. And guess what? Now it did. And you're buying the stock that you like on sale. So what do you do now? You sell a covered call against it. Now, it is a fact that if the price went down a lot, calls aren't that much money. So you might not make that much money selling a call, but you will still make money. And as long as you don't sell your stock for less than what you paid, you will not lose money. And if you didn't have your whole account invested, you can sell a put now that the price went down a lot. Now you're taking in more money and you're committing to buy more shares if the price goes down further. And then if you have to buy the shares, if you get assigned, you're just averaging down your cost. That's one of the reasons that I only trade a handful of tickers at a time, so I can pound each one of those tickers if and when the stock drops a lot. Now, someone sent me an email this morning, and he asked me how he should sell his covered calls on Monday. He asked if he should put in a market order before the market opens. And here's what I answered. I actually never use market orders on options. I only use limit orders. A limit order is saying how much you are willing to sell that contract for. When the market opens, particularly after a big drop like we saw on Friday, it's typically pretty volatile at the beginning. And there are pretty wide bid and ask spreads. So if you're putting in an order at the market, you can get a really bad fill. I generally do not do that. I wait until the market opens, I wait a few minutes, I kind of see how things shake out, and I see what the premium is on the contract that I want to sell. Anyway, hope that helps. If you like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out a video each and every single day talking about all kinds of stuff. Selling puts, selling covered calls, how you work with margin. Selling options not only creates weekly income for you, but it literally gives you an amazing lifestyle. No employees, no customers, trade from anywhere you want in the world, and you do your own thing. Anyway, cheers for now.